When I look at the modern physics, I see two great achievements. One explains the quantum world, and one explains a cosmological or large-scale universe. And both are real successes, and both change how we understood nature. But they still do not rest on a common foundation, and that is the starting work of my work, or starting point. I'm asking why these two successful descriptions still stand apart. For me, that gap in the middle is a sign that the deeper structure exists. And my work begins with the revelation that maybe the next step in physics requires a new starting point. Next slide. When a structure does not fully come together, there are two ways to respond to it. You can keep adding more and more details, or you can examine the ground, the foundation, and I choose that path, the foundation. And I'm asking whether the difficulty in physics lies deeper than the equations we already know. Quantum theory works, relativity works, and these theories are valuable. The question is, have we started with the right picture of reality? So I stopped asking how one can connect a lot of pieces together, and asking how what is the ground beneath these pieces? Next slide. We think of time as one line, past, present, future, and we measure it with the clock. I give a clock a coordinate system, and I give the clock 3 dimensions labeled T1, T2, and T3. Adding dimensions to time defines the system orientation. Note the left hand defining the left-handedness coordinate system in the middle. Therefore, the new system can be arranged as a left-handed or as a right-handed. Next slide. Now you can see the right hand and the right-handed coordinate system. This is relevant for the overall reality. The left-handedness and right-handedness are not the same. In this idea, the chirality is rooted in the structure of time itself. So the importance of three-dimensional time is that it gives you more freedom than one-dimensional time and gives you the handedness. And once the handedness enters the concept, the distinction between left and right becomes part of the reality. Next slide. So if time has 3 dimensions and those dimensions have orientation, then space is not the starting point, the time is. Space is the projection of temporal structure. It's like an inversion. Space is not primary, time is primary. Space is derived. This view gives a new way to examine the features in physics, like a mass of elementary particles, their charge, chirality of weak interactions, and the separation between quantum theory and gravity. And with 3D time, we use established physics law to invert the space projection into the shapes of the 3D time. With the new order, familiar things can have a new meaning. Next slide. Can this idea survive mathematics, known physics, and evidence? The purpose is to find structure that allows physics to be more free. The proposed direction seems to be real, and the known physics allows meaningful experiment to see how we can go from quantum physics to cosmology physics when applying the 3D time, allowing deeper understanding of reality. I'm glad that we have a freedom to ask difficult questions and how to test them. And this is what this institute protects, and I am thankful for it. Thank you.